Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist, and finally we have got the option watch history on Instagram. This is a very new feature about your watch history. So without wasting the time, let's come to the point. You have to open your Instagram, and first of all you have to update your Instagram application. After that, tap on this profile icon here, and after that tap on these three lines here, and here is the option your activity. Tap on that, scroll down a little bit, and here you will find an option watch history. Tap on that. So here is your Instagram account watch history. You can simply delete your watch history from here. Tap on select, tap on all the videos which you want to delete from your watch history, and simply tap on remove. So this is helpful feature from Instagram. Keep enjoying this. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.